This isn't a movie. These disasters were real, and they changed the world forever. 2004, the Indian Ocean tsunami. A magnitude 9.1 quake triggered waves taller than 10-story buildings. 230,000 lives gone in hours. 1883. Krakatoa exploded with the force of 13,000 atomic bombs. The sound was heard 3,000 miles away. It darkened skies and cooled the earth. 1925. The tri-state tornado ripped through Missouri, Illinois, and Indiana. Winds over 300 kilometers per hour. Entire towns vanished. 2010. Haiti. A 7.0 earthquake turned the capital to rubble. Over 300,000 dead or injured. One of the poorest nations hit the hardest. These weren't just events, they were warnings. That nature, when pushed, pushes back harder, with no mercy. The question isn't if it'll happen again, it's when. Subscribe for more history in 1 minute.